Namaste everyone. Welcome to this online pranayama workshop. Today is day 1. I welcome all of you heartily. Let's get started with the workshop. Let us begin with invoking the blessings of all our gurus, all our elders, all our gods and all the supreme powers that we believe in. I request all of you to sit straight, sit in a relaxed position, keep your back straight, shoulders and neck relaxed. Once you feel comfortable, slowly fold your hands in Namaskara Mudra in front of your chest and close your eyes. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. As you breathe out, chant Om. You can repeat after me. Asato ma sadgamaya. Asato ma sadgamaya. Tamaso ma jyotirgamaya. Tamaso ma jyotirgamaya. Mrityorma amrutam gamaya. Mrityorma amrutam gamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Let us chant the Mahamrityunjaya mantra. This is a very powerful mantra invoking the blessings for long life and great health, which is absolutely necessary in the current times. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Once again, as you breathe out, chant Om. You can repeat after me. Trayambakam yajamahe. Trayambakam yajamahe. Sugandhim pushtivardhanam. Sugandhim pushtivardhanam. Urvarukamiva bandhanan. Urvarukamiva bandhanan. Mrityormukshiyamamritam. Mrityormukshiyamamritam. Let us repeat. Trayambakam yajamahe. Trayambakam yajamahe. Sugandhim pushtivardhanam. उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्ष्यमामृतान् मृत्योर्मुक्ष्यमामृतान्. Once again. त्रयम्बकं यजामहे त्रयम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्ष्यमामृतान् मृत्योर्मुक्ष्यमामृतान्. ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति. Let us pray for the well-being and health of everybody around us. On this positive note, with a big beautiful smile on your face, slowly open your eyes. Bring your hands down. So welcome back to all of you. I see a lot of you joining in live. Thank you so much for joining in live. Let's get started. So let's start the session with some simple warm-up exercises. So some of us must have just woken up and some of us must have just come back from our work or something. So let's get started. Let's warm up our body to begin the entire process of learning about breathing and pranayama. So request all of you to sit straight. Let us begin with our head movements. Keep your back straight, shoulders relaxed, keep your neck relaxed. Turn your head towards the right side. Slowly bring your head to the left side. Feel the stretch at your neck. Right side, left, right, left. Make sure you're doing it slowly. Right, 2 more rounds. Left, last round, right, left, come back to the center. Next, tilt your head towards the right side. Make sure your ear is touching your shoulder. Don't lift your shoulder up, let the shoulder remain normal, but tilt your head till the stretch is complete. Now on the other side. Continue, come back to the right side. Left, right, left, last round right, center. Next, breathe in, lift your head up. Breathe out, head down. Breathe in, head up. Breathe in, head up. Breathe out, head down. 2 more rounds. Breathe in, head up. Breathe out, head down. Breathe in, head up. Breathe out, head head down. Slowly start head rotation, clockwise, 5 rounds. Keep it slow. Try to keep your eyes open. If you feel giddy, you may close your eyes. But make sure your movement is very slow. The neck is very fragile. So when we are warming up the neck, we need to make sure we are not too hard, we are not too aggressive. Last round. Once you're done with 5 rounds, rotate in the opposite direction. Rounds in the opposite direction. Last round. Finish. Back to normal. Let's do some shoulder rotation. Keep your fingertips on your shoulders. Make sure your spine is straight. Rotate your shoulders. Keep it slow. Make sure you're making your elbows touch in the front. That way you will get the maximum stretch possible. Let's rotate in the opposite direction. 5 rounds. Last round. Finish. Bring your hands down. Next, keep your hands by the side. Keep your spine straight. As you breathe in, raise your right hand up. Keep your elbow straight. When you come up, make sure your bicep is touching your ear. As you exhale, bend on your left side. Make sure you're not lifting your legs up. Both your buttocks should be touching the ground. Use your left elbow to go down as much as you can. Feel the stretch at your waist. Keep breathing. 5 complete breaths. Hold the pose. As you inhale, slowly come up. Exhale. Hand down. Now on the left side, inhale, raise your left hand up. Make sure your elbow is straight, biceps should touch the ear. Exhale, bend on the right side. Don't lift your leg up. Take the support of your right elbow to go down as much as you can. Keep breathing. Normal inhalation, normal exhalation. After 5 complete breaths, as you inhale, slowly come up. Exhale, bring your hand down. Let's do it once again on the right side. Inhale, raise your right hand up. Exhale, bend on your left side. Keep breathing. 5 complete breaths. Inhale, slowly come up. exhale, bring your hand down. Now on the left side, inhale, raise your left hand up. Exhale, bend on your right side, keep breathing. 5 complete breaths. Inhale, slowly come up. Exhale, bring your hand down. Now let's twist our spine. Take your right palm, keep it on your left knee. Keep your left hand behind. Make sure both the elbows are straight. Slowly turn backwards. Look over your left shoulder. Feel the twist of your spine. Continue to breathe. Slowly turn your head forward. Bring your hand down. Now on the other side, keep your left palm on your right knee. Keep your right hand behind. Twist yourself, look backwards, keep breathing, don't hold your head. Slowly turn your head forward. Bring your hand down for the last time. Let's get back on the left side. Keep your right palm on your left knee. Keep your left hand behind. Look backwards. Hold for 5 breaths. Slowly turn your head forward. Bring your hand down. Once again on the other side, keep your left palm on your right knee. Keep your right hand behind. Look over your shoulder. Feel the twist. Slowly turn your head forward, bring your hand down. So we are all warmed up for our workshop. So you must have noticed that in the warm-up, the entire warm-up or generally in yoga classes, we always focus on breathing. Every movement, every asana is dominantly focused on breathing. So even more than counting the number of steps, it is more about the inhalation and exhalation. Why is that so? In fact, that is the difference between yoga and any other form of exercise. In yoga, there is a lot of focus on breathing. Now, why is breathing important? If I ask this question, I'm sure all of you would say, yes, we need oxygen for the body, we need breathing to live. Yes, of course, that's absolutely right. But there is something much more to breathing than just your inhalation, oxygen and all of that. If I say breathing is an indication of how healthy you are you surprised? I'm sure most of you would be surprised. Now let us see why this is true. Let's get to the process of observing our breath. How many of you would have done this before? A lot of you would have never ever done this before. Why to observe breathing? Breathing is happening naturally. We don't even have to put any sort of effort to breathe, isn't it? But yes, today for a lot of you it might be for the first time. Some of you must have done it before. Let's get to the process of observing our breath. Let's all sit straight. When we sit straight, we are making sure that there is no obstruction to natural and normal breathing. Keep your palms open on your legs. Shoulders relax, neck relax. There needs to be no tension in any of the muscles in the body. When you feel ready, gently close your eyes. Bring your attention towards your breath. Observe the inhalation, observe the exhalation. Observe as the air goes in through your nostrils, travels to your chest and expands your stomach. Observe as the air travels through your chest, comes out of the nostril as you exhale. You don't have to change the pattern of your breath. You just have to observe. If your mind is wandering, remind yourself to come back to the present moment breath. Few more moments. Continue to observe your breath. Let's all slowly open our eyes with a big, beautiful smile. For a lot of you, this was the first time, and I'm sure you must be amazed by the experience. Wasn't it so calming? Wasn't it so peaceful to be observing your own breath? Some of you must have never done it before, isn't it? If you have never done it before, if this was the first time, please share your experience in the comment section after the workshop today. Alright? So yes, we all got to the process of observing our breath. Now, I will ask you one simple question. Was your inhalation as same as your exhalation? I am talking about the duration of the inhalation and exhalation. Was it the same? Now you must be like, oh come on Madhuri, we didn't observe all of that. We were just observing the inhalation and exhalation. Yes, absolutely true. This time we are going to do the process once again, but observe the duration of your inhalation and exhalation. After we are done with the process, I will explain why we did so. Let's get started once again. Keep your back straight, shoulders and neck relaxed. Keep your palms open. Slowly close your eyes. Get to the process of observing your breath. Do not change the pattern of your breathing. Breathe as you are breathing. Continue to do the same. But just observe the duration of your inhalation and exhalation. Continue to observe. How are you breathing? Is your exhalation as same as your inhalation? If your mind is wandering, convince your mind to come back to observing your breath. It is completely okay if you get distracted, but remember to come back to the breathing, to observing the breath. Few more moments. Keep observing your breath. Now slowly, with a big beautiful smile on your face, open your eyes. So now did you observe your exhalation and inhalation? So we are going deeper into the details of our breathing. For a lot of us, inhalation and exhalation will be equal. For a lot of us, the exhalation will be quite smaller. This is for most of us. Most of us would have observed that the exhalation is very, very small, isn't it? If you are agreeing with me, you should be mentioning in the comment section after the workshop that your breathing where the exhalation was shorter than the inhalation. Now, what is the ideal way of breathing? So, the ideal way of breathing is that the exhalation should be double of inhalation. Surprise? We all think, okay, we need to breathe deeply and we start breathing deeply and we forget about the exhalation. Yes, that happens to all of us. But ideally, your exhalation should be deeper than your inhalation. Now, let's learn how to do that. Now, if your exhalation is shorter than your inhalation, what is the indication? Like I mentioned, your breathing, the way you breathe is an indication of your health. So if you're not breathing right, if your exhalation is way too short, if your exhalation is shorter than your inhalation, that means there is some sort of imbalance. So when I say health and imbalance, and when I'm talking in these terms, I'm not talking just in terms of the physical health, but also the mental health. Let me give an example for this. So you must have noticed if you're tensed, if you're angry, if you're anxious, your breathing is very, very, very shallow, isn't it? You're so angry, you're just red hot with anger. How is your breathing? You're so breathing so rapidly and shallow. It's a very short breathing. On the contrary, if you're doing something which needs a lot of concentration, when you're cool, when you're calm, your breathing is very, very deep, very, very long, isn't it? Have you noticed this? If you haven't noticed this till now, the next time you get angry, please notice your breath. Now you must be wondering, oh come on, I'm so angry. Who has the time to notice the breathing? But yes, this is a true fact. So when you are undergoing some negative emotions, your breathing becomes shallow. When you're calm, when you're composed, when your mind is going towards the positive emotions, your breathing is also calm. That is exactly why when we are, about to do a presentation, when we are about to talk in public, when we are nervous, our friend, our parents, somebody would just say, okay, calm down. Take deep breaths. Take deep breaths. Yes. So when I started off the workshop, just before the workshop, I was a little bit nervous. But then again, I did the same process. I took deep breaths and I calmed myself down. So that is basically the logic where your emotions are reflected by your breathing. Now, in the current times, a lot of us have known that to increase your immunity power, you need to practice breathing exercises. What is the connection between immunity and breathing exercise? Let me explain this. Why do you think we do not have immunity power? Why do you think our immunity power is reduced? If we are putting our body through some it is about unhealthy lifestyle, unhealthy eating, unhealthy sleeping schedule and all of that. So that's a different story for a different day. But our focus is on the mental aspect of it, where we are putting our body through a lot of stress. Yes, it may be related to work, it may be related to your personal life, it may be related to your relationship, money, career, whatever it is. So most of us, if I say all of us, I probably wouldn't be wrong, but all of us are stressed out in some way or the other. So the more you are stressed out, it affects your mental health and it affects your physical health as well. So that is the link between your immunity and breathing. The moment you start regularizing your breathing techniques, the moment you start going more towards your positive emotions, automatically your immunity will increase. Because your stress levels are coming down, your immunity power increases. So yes, what is the best way to balance our breathing? So we all noticed now, as of now, we have come to an understanding that our exhalation is shorter than the inhalation. Now, what is the best way to regularize this? We'll do a simple process. This is called Samavritti Pranayama. There are multiple types of Samavritti Pranayama, but we are going to start with the basics and proceed towards the advanced level. So what we are going to do is we are going to count our breathing. Yes. So we are going to inhale for 4 counts and we are going to exhale for 4 counts. So the first step to regularizing your breathing is to make sure your inhalation and exhalation are equal. Then we shall slowly proceed to increasing the duration of the exhalation. So are you ready? Let's get started. Once again, let's do the same drill. Sit straight, keep your back straight, shoulders and neck relaxed. Why are we closing our eyes? We are not doing any meditation, we are not doing any dhyana, we are not doing any yoga nidra. For pranayama, why are we closing the eyes? The simple explanation for this is to reduce the distractions. Yes. So we are continuously focusing on the breath. We are not seeing the breath, isn't it? It's not a process which we can actually see with our eyes. So there is a tendency that we would get distracted. Breathing is something which is happening inside us. So to go deeper within, we need to leave out the distractions of the outside world. That is exactly the reason why we are closing the eyes. Alright. Now I shall be counting, you shall be breathing. Alright. It's a very simple process. Initially you may go out of balance, you may not be able to match up with the counts, or you may be also. In case you are not able to match it with the count, that is completely alright. Do not get anxious. Stop, take a pause and start all over again. I am sure you will be able to do it properly. Alright? So close your eyes. Let's get started. Bring your attention towards your breath. Observe the inhalation. Observe the exhalation. Let us begin Samavritti Pranayama. Inhale 1, 2, 3, Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, and relax. Slowly, with a big beautiful smile on your face, open your eyes. So yes, this was the first round of Samavritti Pranayama. So this is equal breathing. So we try to bring focus on our breath in such a way that inhalation and exhalation are of equal duration. Now if you observe your emotions, I'm sure you all would have noticed some change, definitely for sure, isn't it? Workshop, and now I am feeling absolutely calm and absolutely at ease. So that is what is the power of breathing. Breathing indicates the emotion that you are going through, and by regularizing your breathing pattern, you can change your emotions, you can change your lifestyle, and you can improve your immunity by leaps and bounds. It was a wonderful experience, isn't it? Shall we do it once again? Yes, awesome. So yes, let's get started. This time I'm sure the ones who couldn't match up last time will definitely catch up in this round. So we are going to practice equal breathing Samavritti Pranayama for 14 rounds. Yes, 14 is a wonderful number to be practicing. So yes, we are going to be practicing for 14 rounds. Keep your back straight, you know the drill. Relax your shoulders and neck. Slowly close your eyes, bring your attention towards your breath. Let's get started. Make sure your entire focus is on your breathing. Focus on the counts and synchronize your breath with the counts. If you concentrate, you will definitely be able to do it with complete ease. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. And relax. Observe your emotions, observe your thoughts. With a big, beautiful smile on your face, open your eyes. Focus on your breathing. Observe the inhalation, observe the exhalation. Let us begin the second stage of Samavritti Pranayama. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 1, 2. Four, five. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And relax. Continue to observe your present moment breath. Observe the changes in your emotions. Observe your thoughts. Observe your state of being. Slowly open your eyes. So yes, how was your feeling? How was your experience? I am sure it must have been different than before. So this is how we slowly regularize our breathing pattern to have a better inhalation and better exhalation. Now, I would like to mention that how many times are you supposed to practice? This is one common question that I would definitely get asked. So since you all notice that this is a very simple process, you can practice there are absolutely no restrictions, and there are absolutely no restrictions in terms of your age or gender. Whoever understands the basic challenging strong. So practice as often as you can. Share this video with as many people as possible. So this brings us of present moment breath. So yes, that is going to be the topic of tomorrow's workshop, day 2 tomorrow. I am hoping to see all of you tomorrow. So we will be talking about present moment. For today, let us finish. Exhale. सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु। Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Rub your palms together. Feel the energy between your palms. Place your palms on your eyes. Thank you so much for joining. So let's all meet tomorrow for the day 2. Till then, take care of yourself. Stay safe.